cook dinner. I just put on something comfortable, but it's really giving. I got a fat stomach. Oh, my hair matched my pants, my shorts. Anyway, we're about to cook dinner. On the menu today is turkey tacos. So yeah, we're gonna pour up. This is my first time trying it. It's Stella Rose, not Stella Rose, but this particular brand is Stella Rose Moscato Datsy, however you say it. So we're gonna cut this open, cut it open, pop it open, and I just washed my little favorite cup. So we're gonna pour it up because y'all know I just moved in here and I got glasses and stuff, but I got cups, plates, but I don't have like wine glasses and stuff. So let's see what it's giving. We're gonna pop this in the fridge. Okay, so let's see. This is good. That's real good. So we're making turkey tacos, you guys. And then this is for my shells. Get my seasonings out. So we got flour shells, tomato, Kodiak cheese, that's the only cheese I like. Some bell pepper, shredded lettuce, an onion. We got paste, taco sauce, whatever you want to call it, Frank's hot sauce, sour cream, and then of course oil. Okay. Cause I'm cooking. We're gonna use my Paris Hilton chopping board.
Got a month of coke because the kid the coldest. I ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4P yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out Switch and Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bro, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, them guys, God, the period. Oh, he ain't know. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't type her up. They my last, I'm no wiping up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Over, got a month of coke because the kid the coldest. I ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4P yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out Switch and Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bro, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, them guys, God, the period.
I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that careful. Like the Baba fry, oh, my eye, oh, don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that careful. Like the Baba fry, oh, my eye, oh, don't cry, oh.
That's good. Good as fuck.
I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl. I no go feed the girl. It's out. I'm a mind that's you can talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy, and I know that careful. Like the Baba fry, oh, my eye, oh, don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go by fault and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that careful. Like the Baba fry, oh, my eye, oh, don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go by fault and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that careful. Like the Baba fry, oh, my eye, oh, don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy, and I
After I got the stuff in my tacos, that's when I was like, okay, I'm gonna figure out what it is I'm gonna eat once I'm done eating off these tacos. Cause I didn't buy a big pack of meat. So these tacos only gonna last me maybe a day. And I bought this meat a while back. I just had it in the freezer. And so when I left for school this morning, I unthawed it. And it was ready by the time I got home to cook. cheese. handful, wet it, and then, add it to the tacos. Alright, then I do that. So we got our tomatoes. We got our onions. Sour cream. Paste this thing out. And of course, I like a little spice, so Frank's hot sauce. Boom! Okay, y'all. So we got our tacos, we got our wine. I'm about to refill up. And thank you guys for watching my little cooking video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.